Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this cool liquid particle effect for your projects, skits, films, or anything that you're working on. And like always, you can download all the assets, all the project files by clicking the link in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. So in this liquid particle effect, there's actually two versions, version 1 and version 2, and both of them are can be downloaded in the description, and they all have alpha background. So you can just put them in your projects, put them in your films or anything that you want, and there is no background. And when you download the assets, it'll look like this, and all you have to do is just drag in and drop them, and you have it. Same thing with version 2. You have this cool liquid particle effects, and again, there's no alpha background. You just drag and drop and it's ready to go. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you want more, subscribe, comment for more, and thank you guys for tuning in. Goodbye.